How to verify age on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify your age on Roblox, you must at least be 13 years of age with a government issued photo ID, and this can be a driver's license, passport, residency card, or any other government issued identification document with your picture in it. Log into your account, go to settings, and then click on the account info tab, and underneath your birthday you will have to find the option that says verify my age. So just go to the button that says verify my age. Once you do so, a pop-up will appear on your desktop computer. You will see a QR code, and scan this QR code with your mobile device, and once you do that, you'll be redirected to roblox.com/verify and prompted to begin the age verification flow. And once you do that, click on the start session option and follow the instructions as indicated, allowing camera access. Scan your ID document. Roblox will intelligently detect what type of document you have, and if there is a barcode on the back, scan and capture an image on the back of your ID. You will be asked to capture a selfie. This selfie will be used to ensure that you are the same person as the one on your photo ID. Navigate back to your original Roblox session. You will see real-time status updates there. Once verification is complete, you will see a pass or failed result, and this can take a few minutes. That's all it takes to verify your age on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.